All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course, and we're still in the beginning stages of building our help management project. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, like I said, we're still in the beginning stages of building our project, so there isn't any codes right now. We're just building the foundation, going over what we're going to be going over and what we're going to be building, getting the grasp and understanding of the concept that we're going to be implementing, and so on and so forth. So basically, what we're doing is taking notes now and documenting everything. So let's pick up with some light reading. And I believe we were about here. So this is the reason deep learning algorithms became famous. Now, deep learning algorithms are used for various use cases. Traditional deep learning algorithms, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, computer vision, NLP, etc., etc. There are many tasks and use cases that deep learning algorithms are used to solve. For a deeper understanding, let's take a look at the graph below. So you can see here we have our graph, deep learning. Then you can see it's broken into sections here. We have discriminative and then we have a generative. So let's look and see exactly what's going on here. So with the discriminative, you can see the task for discriminative models are to classify, predict, object detection, or any supervised or unsupervised techniques. These models are usually trained on labeled data sets. These models fall under the branch of traditional deep learning algorithms. Then we have generative models over here. These tasks include one thing, just to generate new data trained on some data set. Now, this graph helps us visualize the differences between model types inside of the deep learning universe. Now, these are the discriminative models and the generative models. Basically, all of the deep learning algorithms are based on one of these two model types. Now, on the other hand, we can notice that the main function of the generative model is to generate new data that has been trained on some data set. That's this one here. Started talking about the generative models again. So we have that one there. And basically that's where we left off for the night. We were just going over the different differences between the two model types inside the deep learning universe, the discriminative, the generative, and what they do, what we expect of them, and what we can implement them for. Sorry about that. Yeah, so basically, it's all fancy talk for saying discriminative models classify, predict, detect objects. Generative models basically generate new data based on data sets that it's fed. And that's that. So, yeah, like I said, we are still just taking notes and getting an understanding of what we're doing. So, we'll be building code soon, hopefully. But, yeah, this is all part of the process. So, yeah. But, of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.